Cleveland Cemetery that's been under scrutiny for its lack of maintenance.
And this comes after years of complaints and a state-issued fine for not keeping the grounds in proper repair. Local 3's Catherine Vaughn has the story. She's with us now. Catherine.
Sunset Memorial Garden has faced numerous complaints over the years. We spoke to a district attorney general who says he walked the grounds of Sunset Memorial Garden after receiving complaints from residents about their lack of care for those deceased. Sunset Memorial Gardens has faced numerous complaints over the years from family members who have showed up to visit loved ones only to find their graves dismantled and uncared for.
And we've had complaints about cemeteries for years in the 10th Judicial District. When I was an assistant district attorney, there were complaints about Sunset.
District Attorney General Stevens Hatchett says he's had issues with the cemetery for over a decade, and when a family reached out to him expressing their concern, he immediately went to check it out. What he noticed walking across the grounds
was it appeared there were some headstones that were missing. There was some indentations in the ground that appeared like headstones were probably there at some point.
With more people coming forward about their concerns, Hatchett says maintaining cemetery grounds is the least companies can do, and he's hoping to send a message.
For common decency, out of respect for these folks that have loved ones buried there, and certainly they would much rather keep these cemeteries up than have to deal with me in my office.
Hatchett says this is not part of an investigation. He simply wanted to scope out the area for himself and remind people that he and the district attorney's office are keeping an eye on their cemeteries.
The bottom line is do what you're supposed to do, not just because the law says so, but because common decency says so. But if not, then don't be surprised if I come walking through the cemetery.
You can find all of our reporting on Sunset Memorial Gardens inside of the Local 3 News app. I'm Catherine Vaughn, Local 3 News.